Alright, we're finally going to check out the executive suite. We're still at Mokolodi Lodge in Botswana, and this is a hut with a double bed. They've been kind enough to let me use their room today. It's a double bed. Washing baskets. They do have laundry facilities on site. I really think this desk here is not necessary, but I don't mind it. It just feels out of place with what's going on in this room. But it's an office desk. It's a bit big, it takes up a lot of space. And an office chair. This is my dinner tonight. This is my workstation, my water. And then we're moving on into the kitchenette. The kitchenette is a fridge. So what's going on in here? Some food. Got along the way. This wasn't a good idea. These burgers weren't the greatest. But I had to eat something along the way. Some milk. And we got a freezer here. Good. And of course, we've got this guy over here. Got this guy over here. Yeah. That's good. I don't mind that. And we're going to go over and have a look at the kitchenette. There's a toaster. You can fit 4 slices in there. There's a microwave. Let's get rid of this. And there's a 2-plate stove. Some pots on them. There's definitely nothing in here. I'm not going to cook anything. And what we have here is heats the water as it passes through. So that's very efficient. There's no geyser here. This is what warms the water. And there's a sink here, and there is a kettle. I'm not a coffee drinker, but for all those that want to have coffee, we have different sorts of glasses, plates, mugs. And there's no sugar in here, is there? Oh, there is. So there's sugar. There's sugar in there. Is there coffee? Is there coffee? Is there coffee? Let's see. Is there coffee? There is coffee. Well, there must be tea. You can see some of that rooibos. There is rooibos. Rooibos. There we go. That's great. So this is provided free of charge. There's no extra charge for that. Some more tea. I think we're out of pepper though. Some sugar. Put these back. Then, yep, I think they're out of pepper, but there is salt. Some good number of bowls. So this, I think you can have. I mean, seeing that we've got a double bed, and I'm going to show you now there is an extra bed. We're going to go to it in a minute. An extra single bed. So 3 people can utilize this room very comfortably and it's spacious enough. And then some utensils. Nice selection of utensils. So, the more over here. So, you'll be fine. Trash can, decent sized trash can. Dining table though. There's only one chair on this, and it looks antique chair. But this is the dining table. I think there's enough space outside anyway, so I think you don't really need to be sitting inside and eating. But it's up to you. You can bring chairs from outside and bring them in. I'm going to go right into the bathroom. It's a shower. And what we have here also is this The first time and the only time that I've seen this before was in Thailand. A lot of resorts or hostels or even hotels have, or even bed and breakfasts, they have this system here that warms the water as it comes through the plumbing. So you see, this is where you set the temperature for the water, hot, and then this is the pressure, medium, high, cold, and then you press over here and the water comes out. So it's pretty simple, it's decent. The water is warm enough, so it works and it's efficient. Again, there's no geyser here, so this is where they get the hot water. Yeah, and then there's a sink, bathroom, a cupboard, keep extra toilet paper, trash. So it's a decent size. It's a decent size. And a little wardrobe over here, and then this is an extra bed that I just use to put my stuff in, and some nice little artwork on the wall. Instructions about evacuation, and I'd like for you to rate them on TripAdvisor. So all in all, this room is about 800 rand a night, which equates to about $50-$60 a night, and it's the biggest room, self catering, private bathroom. I think it's the only one with a private bathroom. And also, before I continue, what's interesting is that they've got the roof within the hut. That's this low bathroom roof on top here. So I found that to be very interesting that that's the case there. So as I was saying, the room is about $50-$60 a night. So I think it's the executive suite, and you can see in the other videos we have a tour of the other rooms, which mostly have 2 single beds or bunk beds. So if you're willing to cough up the cash, you can stay in this decently sized room, and in Mokolodi Backpackers in Botswana. It's about 10 kilometers south of Gaborone. And this is the flooring. The flooring it feels a bit slippery sometimes. I think the ladies cleaned it this morning, but it's fine. I mean, it's easy to clean, and you see that it's clean. So I'm wearing flops right now, but I feel like you can walk barefooted without worrying. All right, thank you, and I'll see you next time when I review other properties.